All right, you guys, so we're at the Pelican Hill Resort, Newport Coast, California. This is the Ocean View King Suite Bungalow. You walk in, you have a very nice living room. You have a dining room first, so you have the dining table where you and the family can have breakfast. You go this way, and you have a living room, TV on the wall. This is a very spacious room. You have a fireplace over there, so you can kick back, enjoy the fireplace while you watch a movie. Very spacious living room. That also has a pull-out bed in it, so it can sleep your kids or whatever any extra guests that you have staying with you. You walk straight out these double doors, and you have a back balcony, well, a patio. You have patio furniture over here where you can have breakfast, coffee, or tea, whatever you'd like to have. Right over there, it's a little overcast today, but the ocean is right there. You can see the ocean. Beautiful views from this bungalow. You have a couple lounge chairs over there. I'm gonna take you guys back through here. Over here you have a sink, coffee maker. You have your coffee machine that's under there too, with your pods and whatever else you need to make coffee in the morning. You have your desk area right here with your phone and space to put your laptop or whatever you need to work. This way, we have a guest bathroom. Really nice bathroom with a walk-in shower. Nice wardrobe mirror, so you can check out your outfits before you head out. And you walk this way, and this is where it features the bedroom. To your left right here, you have the master bath, his and her sinks. You have a walk-in shower over here as well. You have your toilet room. And you have a huge bathtub that has an open window for you to look into the room and out off the balcony. Here's your closet, huge closet, dual doors, a lot of closet space, your robes, ironing board, iron. You have dresser drawers over here. If you like to unpack when you're on vacation, put all your things in the drawers. You have a sink over here, nice sized mirror, more cabinet space, drawer space. And over here, you have your king size bed. How does it feel? You know, I like to tell you guys how it feels. Really comfy bed. And over here, you have another living room in the master bedroom, which has a couch right there, little coffee table, big screen TV with another desk area. The TV does pull out and shift this way so you can see it from the bedroom. And you have a fireplace in the bedroom as well. Out of this bedroom, you can also go onto your balcony or onto your patio. And it's the same view as before. It actually connects to the other side over there, so you can really wrap around through the living room all the way into the master bedroom. And it's a very spacious bungalow. Can literally fit a bunch of people, but it sleeps about 4, maybe 5. But yeah, so it's an amazing place to visit. I would recommend it to anybody that's in Southern California, and hope you like the room tour.